Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to can see your Roblox account password if you forget it. So let's get started. First, open your Play Store and update Roblox. It's already updated. Just open your Roblox. Then click on three-line menu and click on settings and click on account info. Actually, there is no option to view account password on Roblox. Don't worry, friend. I will show you how to find your Roblox account password. Just follow my step. First, open your phone setting and scroll down and click Google and click Password Manager. Scroll down and click Roblox, and that's it, your account password. If you have saved your password in Gmail, then you can see your password in this method. Thank you.